Are you tired of grey hair making you look older? Want a natural solution that actually works? Well, today, I'm sharing an ancient and powerful remedy that can reverse grey hair, strengthen your roots, and boost natural hair color, all with simple ingredients you already have at home. You can use this oil 2 to 3 times a week for 100% guaranteed results. Watch your hair transform. White strands turn black, hair fall reduces, and roots grow stronger. Plus, it boosts hair growth, making your hair thicker, healthier, and shinier than ever. Men can also use this powerful hair oil. Since it's completely natural, there are no side effects, just amazing benefits. It works like the #1 hair darkening oil, helping turn white hair black while strengthening and nourishing your scalp. And also, this is most powerful ancient remedies that I have personally used for years. You won't believe how many times people ask me, "Why don't you have grey hair? Are you applying color?" But let me tell you honestly, I never use hair color. Instead, I always rely on this herbal hair pack and oils that have kept my hair naturally black, strong, and shiny. It's all because of these amazing natural remedies that my parents have used on my hair since childhood. Let's dive right in and create this 100% natural grey hair reversal oil that works like magic. Step 1. Castor oil, the secret hair strengthener. First, take a clean bowl and add 2 tablespoons of castor oil. Why castor oil? Castor oil is a hair growth powerhouse. It's packed with ricinoleic acid that nourishes the scalp, improves blood circulation, and prevents premature graying. It also locks in moisture, making your hair soft, thick, and naturally vibrant. Mix this well before we add our next magic ingredient. Step 2. Coconut oil, the ultimate hair healer. Now, add 2 tablespoons of pure coconut oil and mix it well. The quantity of coconut oil should be equal to the amount of castor oil you take. Why coconut oil? Coconut oil deeply penetrates the hair shaft, preventing protein loss and strengthening each strand from the inside out. It also contains natural antioxidants and vitamins that slow down the graying process and nourish the scalp. This combination of castor oil to coconut oil creates the perfect base for our next powerful herbs. Step 3. Bhrami. Powder, the brain and hair booster. Next, add 1 spoon of bhrami powder and mix well. Why bhrami? Bhrami is an Ayurvedic treasure. It improves scalp circulation, strengthens the hair roots, and prevents premature graying by deeply nourishing the follicles. It also reduces stress, one of the major causes of grey hair, and keeps your scalp cool and relaxed. Bhrami mainly helps in maintaining natural black hair and is a key ingredient in many expensive hair oils due to its powerful benefits. It deeply nourishes the scalp, strengthens hair roots, and promotes thicker, healthier hair growth while preventing premature graying. Let's move to our next powerful herb. Step 4. Amla powder. The vitamin C powerhouse. Now, add 1 spoon of amla powder, Indian gooseberry. Why amla? Amla is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants that help darken grey hair naturally and stimulate melanin production. It also strengthens hair follicles, reduces hair fall, and enhances shine. This ingredient is key to restoring your natural black hair. Step 5. Henna powder, the natural hair color enhancer. Finally, add 1 spoon of henna powder to the mixture. Henna powder is my all-time favorite brand. I've been using it for years, and the blend of 9 powerful herbs truly works wonders. It makes my hair naturally shiny, strong, and healthy, giving it a rich, vibrant look without any chemicals. Why henna? Henna is a natural hair conditioner and color booster that gently coats gray strands, giving them a natural brownish-black tint. It also nourishes the scalp, repairs damage, and keeps hair silky smooth. Mix all these ingredients well, and your magical anti-graying oil is ready. Let's keep this oil 2 hours. During this time, all the natural ingredients blend together and release their powerful properties, making the oil even more effective. Wait, I'll guide you step by step on how to apply this oil for the best results. Take a small amount of the oil. Apply it all over your scalp, massaging gently for 5–10 minutes. Leave it on for at least 2 to 3 hours, or overnight for best results. Wash it off with a mild herbal shampoo. Repeat 3 times a week for visible results. In just a few weeks, your hair will gradually transform from white to black naturally. Not just that, it will solve all your hair problems, including hair fall, thinning, and dryness. You can prepare this in a larger quantity and store it without any worries. It won't spoil easily. This natural oil blend stays fresh for at least a month when stored properly. For the best results, always try to use it as fresh as possible. Stronger, thicker, and healthier hair. Reduction in gray hair with regular use. Silky, soft, and nourished strands. A youthful, vibrant look with naturally darker hair. Store this oil in an airtight glass jar in a cool, dry place. It stays fresh for up to a month. And that's it. Your all-natural, chemical-free gray hair reversal oil is ready. This powerful herbal blend deeply nourishes your scalp, strengthens hair from the roots, and promotes thicker, stronger, and healthier hair growth. Stay consistent, and you'll see a magical difference in no time. Comment below. Have you ever tried any natural remedies for gray hair? What worked for you? Let's chat in the comments. Whatever product I'm using, the links are in the description below. Click to buy and start your journey to healthy black hair today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more amazing natural hair care tips. See you in the next video. Stay beautiful, stay natural.